Imagine waking up 10 years from now. You check your bank account and smile because the money is there. Your debt is gone, your investments are growing, and you actually feel safe about your financial future. But here's the twist. Most people never get there. Not because they are lazy, but because they never set the right financial goals. Today, I will walk you through clear and practical financial goals examples that can actually shape a better future. And stick around until the end, because I am going to share one surprising goal almost nobody talks about, but it can save you from years of financial stress. Number 1. Build an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs. Job loss, medical bills, a broken down car. An emergency fund is your safety net. It's money you set aside only for unexpected events. Most experts suggest starting with at least $1,000. That's the quick safety cushion. Once you've done that, aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. For example, if your rent, groceries, bills, and transportation cost $2,000 per month, your full emergency fund goal is between $6,000 and $12,000. Picture this: your car engine dies tomorrow. Instead of swiping a credit card and sinking into debt, you dip into your emergency fund and cover it stress-free. That peace of mind is priceless. Number 2. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt is like carrying a backpack full of bricks while trying to run a marathon. It slows everything down. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, eats up your income. Some cards charge 20% interest or more. That means if you owe $5,000 and only make minimum payments, it could take you decades to pay it off. One popular method is the debt snowball. Pay off your smallest debt first for momentum, then roll that payment into the next one. Another is the debt avalanche, where you target the highest interest rate first to save more money. Imagine paying off a $2,000 credit card and suddenly freeing up $100 a month. That extra cash can now go into savings or investments. Number 3. Save for retirement early. Here's the secret about retirement savings. Time matters more than the amount. If a 25-year-old invests $200 a month and earns an average of 7% annually, by age 65, they'll have over $500,000. But if they wait until 35 to start, they'll only end up with about half of that, even if they invest the same monthly amount. That's the power of compound growth. Your money makes money, and then that money makes money too. Retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA give you tax advantages. That means your money grows faster. Even if you can only put away $50 a month, start now. Your future self will thank you. Number 4. Create a budget that actually works. Budgeting sounds boring, but it's really just giving every dollar a job. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple system. Spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debt. For example, if you make $3,000 a month, $1,500 goes to needs like rent and food, $900 to wants like eating out or hobbies, and $600 to savings or paying debt. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. It makes sure you're spending on what matters most to you. Number 5. Build a good credit score. Your credit score is like your financial reputation. A higher score means lower interest rates on loans, better chances of getting approved for housing, and even cheaper car insurance in some states. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit card balances low. Don't open too many accounts at once. Example: 2 people buy the same car for $20,000. One has a high credit score and gets a 5% loan. The other has a poor score and gets a 15% loan. Over 5 years, the second person pays thousands more in interest. Good credit literally saves you money. Number 6. Save for big life events. Life isn't only about emergencies and retirement. You'll want to celebrate milestones too. Buying a home, a wedding, starting a family, taking that dream trip. Instead of financing everything with debt, set up sinking funds. That means saving little by little for specific goals. For example, if you want to take a $3,000 vacation next summer, save $250 a month for a year. When the time comes, you can go on that trip guilt-free. Number 7. Invest in yourself. One of the best financial goals you can set isn't about money at all. It's about skills. Learn something that boosts your income. Maybe it's coding, digital marketing, or even a trade like plumbing. For example, If you make $15 per hour now, but a certification lets you earn $25 per hour, that's a huge jump over a lifetime. Education and skills are assets that nobody can take from you. Number 8, diversify investments. Once you're out of high-interest debt and have savings, it's time to grow your money. The stock market, real estate, index funds, and even side businesses are all options. Diversification means you don't put all your eggs in one basket. If one investment drops, the others balance it out. Think of it like a table. A table with one leg falls easily. A table with 4 legs stands strong. Number 9, protect yourself with insurance. Nobody likes paying insurance premiums. But without it, one accident could wipe out years of savings. Health insurance, auto insurance, and renters or homeowners insurance are essential. Imagine you get a $10,000 hospital bill. Without insurance, you're crushed. With insurance, maybe you only pay $500. Insurance is protection, not an expense to avoid. Number 10, plan for taxes the smart way. Most people only think about taxes once a year. Smart people plan all year long. You can reduce taxes legally by using retirement accounts, health savings accounts, or even deductions for education. For example, if you earn $50,000 and contribute $5,000 to a 401k, you're only taxed on $45,000. That could save you hundreds or even thousands. Tax planning is like finding hidden money you already earned. Number 11, give back and create impact. This may surprise you, but one powerful financial goal is generosity. Giving to causes you care about not only helps others, but also gives your money a deeper purpose. Some people even set up charitable funds that grow and give year after year. It's not about the amount. Even $20 donated regularly can create real change. Number 12, set a net worth goal. Your net worth is what you own minus what you owe. Tracking it gives you a big picture view of your progress. Let's say you have $5,000 in savings, $2,000 in investments, but owe $4,000 in debt. Your net worth is $3,000. Set a goal to increase that number every year. Watching it grow feels motivating, like leveling up in a game. Number 13, teach money to your family. A financial goal isn't just personal, it's generational. Teaching your kids or younger relatives about saving, budgeting, and investing gives them a head start. Think about how different your own life might be if someone had taught you this early. Passing on financial wisdom is like planting seeds that grow into a forest for the future. Number 14, prepare for the unexpected future. This is the hidden goal most people ignore. The world changes fast. Jobs disappear. Technology disrupts industries. Inflation eats into savings. Preparing doesn't mean living in fear. It means being flexible, building multiple income streams, keeping your skills sharp, maintaining liquid savings. Because the truth is, we don't know exactly what the future will look like. But those who plan ahead will be the ones who thrive. Number 15, build a side income stream. Relying only on one paycheck is risky. If that income disappears, everything collapses. A side hustle or small business can act like a second safety net. For example, driving for a rideshare app on weekends, freelancing online, or selling handmade products can bring in extra cash. Even an extra $200 a month can help pay down debt or build savings faster. Number 16, automate your savings. Sometimes willpower isn't enough. That's why automation is so powerful. Set your bank account to automatically transfer money into savings right after payday. For example, if you earn $2,500 a month, you might set $250 to go directly into your savings account. When you never see that money in your checking account, you won't be tempted to spend it. Number 17, plan for education costs. If you or your kids plan on going to college, the costs can be overwhelming. Instead of waiting until the last minute, start saving early. Accounts like a 529 plan allow your savings to grow tax-free if used for education. For example, even saving just $100 a month for 10 years can add up to over $15,000 with interest. That money could cover tuition, books, or housing expenses. Number 18, set short-term fun goals. Not all financial goals need to feel serious. Short-term goals make the journey enjoyable and motivating. For example, saving up $500 for a new laptop or $300 for a weekend getaway. Reaching these smaller goals keeps you excited and helps you stay consistent with bigger ones. It's like giving yourself small wins along the way to the bigger victory. Number 19, build a legacy plan. Financial goals aren't only about your lifetime. They're also about what happens after. Creating a will, setting up beneficiaries, or even starting a trust ensures your assets go where you want. Without a plan, your family could face legal battles or unexpected costs. For example, leaving clear instructions on a house or savings account can save your loved ones thousands and prevent arguments. Number 20, master cash flow awareness. It's not just about how much you make, but how much you keep. Tracking your cash flow means understanding where every dollar comes from and where it goes. For example, you might earn $3,500 a month, but spend $3,600. That's a problem. Or maybe you discover that $300 every month is going to subscriptions you barely use. Awareness is the first step to making smarter adjustments. Number 21, plan for health and wellness costs. Health is wealth. Medical bills can destroy finances if you're not ready. Set aside money for regular checkups, dental visits, gym memberships, or even therapy. For example, investing $30 a month in a gym membership could save thousands later by preventing chronic illness. Caring for your body today protects your wallet tomorrow. Number 22, create a big dream fund. Everyone has that one big dream. Maybe it's traveling the world. Maybe it's starting your own cafe. Whatever it is, set up a separate savings account just for it. For example, putting away $100 a month for 5 years equals $6,000, not counting growth. That money could turn your dream into reality instead of staying just a wish. Imagine your life 10 years from now again. Will you be scrambling to pay bills and drowning in debt? Or will you be looking at your bank account and smiling because you set the right financial goals today? The choice is yours. So, which of these financial goals do you think will make the biggest difference in your life?